Alright guys, it is March 8th. The time just changed. It's 10:40. Anyways, with that exciting news, it is also +3 outside, which is amazing because I got 18 kgs of Hive Alive Fondant patties for the bees. It's warm enough today to go and give them one of those like insurance feeds. So I'm gonna prep up all these bad boys, place them in the box, and then I'm gonna go and feed the bees. Super excited. Basically, I'm doing the exact same thing as I did in the fall. Doing the top patty to have one hole, and then the first patty that goes in will have 2 holes so that I can sandwich them, and the bees have access to 4 pounds of fondant. Oh, they're still feeding. Good.
Not much, but not much. Like we could probably pull that out and reuse it, or like take that, or no?
I'll put this like in there, but I won't.
Yeah.
Fuck, smoke might have been the call.
Should we get some or what?
It's okay. They're strong enough.
Oh yeah, it's true.
Dang. One done.
Alive and well in there, holy smokes.
Yeah, they are cruising in there.
Huge.
These ones must have gone.
Pardon?
I just can't remember. I can't remember where they all went. Look at that, there's a bee on my hand. So sick. So exciting. Send him home. What smells like bees?
Yeah.
Like poop. Probably, yeah. Some bee shit.
Hopefully they poop. Extra in there, nice.
I don't know about these guys, but we're just gonna go for it.
Oh, in this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, I saw somebody crawling there.
Oh my god. Yeah, they're alive. Let's go.
No shit in there.
No shit? Ooh. Wow. Let's go.
We are already way ahead of last year.
Yep.
They are bumping in here. Holy smokes.
Cruising.
Yep, that's right there.
This one's got like fuck all, but there's a ton of bees in there. So this one's still dense. Wait.
Yeah,
That's good.
well, I'm glad the mice don't kill the hive.
Yeah, no kidding. Had that happen before. That's no fun. Oh, wait. No, I just have to get 2 patties. Okay. Living. Holy.
Whoa, are these the mother hives?
No. Maybe. Actually, I don't remember. Yeah.
Holy smoke.
We did well. Prepping them, obviously.
Clearly, yeah. You couldn't see that they were busy just from looking outside.
No.
That's a huge hive.
Those screws are there? Oops.
Those screws are
That's fine.
hell yeah, man.
That is sick. That alone, I'm already very confident about what we got this year.
Yeah. Well, the school. Oh yeah, that's right. Well, yeah, that alone, it's like, well, you don't have to buy a hive.
No, exactly.
It's just fit.
Oh, look at that duker.
Oh yeah, big black.
Big old poopy on me. This is tough. I might just be fucking showing my legs the whole time.
Oh yeah. There are rocks on the front?
Yeah.
Little dying boy.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's awesome.
Yeah, so sick.
Oh yeah, look at all this shit out here.
Oh yeah. So quickly. Thank you.
Great to be hearing these guys. There's snow on the ground.
I know.
I don't know what these are.
Yeah.
Hard to say.
Hard to say. They're definitely more moist too, eh?
I don't know why.
Dead. I'd consider that dead.
I wonder why the north ones are better.
Yeah, I wonder. There's life in here.
Oh, well alive. My goodness. Not bad, man.
Not bad at all. 1 so far?
One, yeah, out of
I'll
what,
take it.
5?
Out of 9. Oh, out of 5.
Oh, wow, they got a fair bit left in there, too.
Yeah.
I missed that.
You know what? I'll grab those two. Yeah. I'll just pop this right here. Just push it in. That's holding.
Double. These are amazing.
These may have been... No, they weren't. I'll know once we, like, see the whole box. I'm pretty sure that might be our mother's.
But what did we leave double brooded?
There was 2 hives that were just cruising. The one that swarmed, we kept double brooded, and then we made a split or something.
So those both came from Biggs's?
Yeah.
That split was crazy.
Yeah. Like this. Just not jumping. Okay.
There's one here too.
Yeah. And there should be one in the front. These guys, I wasn't sure if they were alive.
Oh, okay. We'll see.
So I didn't hear
It's hard
that.
to tell though, because they could be on the bottom box.
Yeah.
They only come up for food when they need it.
Yeah.
Yeah, all this extra insulation definitely.
Oh yeah.
That's huge.
Yeah, not looking too hot.
That's a hummer. I think it would be good with being doubled.
Man,
Dead?
they're dead. Yeah, they're probably just starved.
Really?
Yeah, this is dead empty.
But it's not like
Yeah.
you can open them anyway, right? Like,
No.
when it's cold. Yeah, this one's
Dead. Yeah, they probably just didn't have enough feed in there.
for being doubled.
Yeah.
Like you should almost have 4.
Yeah. Okay.
Noted.
Doubles are dead. But that one was fine.
North facing.
Yeah.
Which I don't get. We've had more like nastier. Oh, here I got these. This one has it. So technically, we do have 5 guys.
Yep. Yeah. These guys, I know one of these is for sure alive because these are the ones that were going hard that one day. Just stand this up to note that they're dead. This one's dead.
Screws anywhere?
Yeah, they're all in the front and maybe in the back.
Oh yeah, there's one right here too. Another one on that side or no?
Nope. But there's one right here. No, there's not. That should be good to go. Yeah, you can hear it.
Can you hear this one? Oh, they smoked up. We may have some food left. I'll grab you.
This one might be dead. Yeah.
Oh, fucking mouse.
Where is it? Oh, dead.
Is that the only... Is it dead?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, these would be robbers.
Oh, okay. Oh, so we'll have some honey frames, feed frames right away.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, but... Damn.
Okay.
So we got one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 9.
Oh, it's over 50%.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
No.
As long as they can make it to spring now.
Oh, they'll be fine now. They got feed.
Yeah,
Should be chilling. Awesome. Well, I'm happy with that, honestly.
Me too. Don't have to freaking buy in. Like, that one split pretty quick. All of these will split pretty quick.
Oh yeah. Okay.
But this might be something to think about. Like, everything north facing was fine.
Yeah.
It might be luck. We also got the same amount south facing alive.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
we also got 3 dead south facing. So
Yeah.
maybe we should try and...
North facing.
I don't know why. I guess it's got a good wind block there. You'd think this would be fine though.
Yeah.
But I wonder if that east wind cuts harder here through the south than it would, you know?
Yeah.
Like we often get southeast wind, not often, and it's usually northwest, which the west is covered right here.
Yeah.
But like you said too, it could have just been a feed thing.
Yeah. Yeah, it could have been anything.
Well, especially on those ones.
Yeah, those ones I'm almost positive
Like,
it was a feed thing.
We'll have to put 4 in if we double them, I guess.
Yeah. And like you can double, but like they probably could have been twice the weight going in, you know? Like they were heavy,
But not heavy enough.
but they could have been heavy, probably.
Hey, either way, I think that's a huge win.
Yeah, that's massive.
It's like expected loss.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Expected loss, and it's not like 100% wipeout again.
Yeah.
God.
Yeah, there's just shit all over me.
Oh yeah, I got poops here. Oh man, it just
Oh,
really
yeah, your whole
smeared.
back is full of shit.
Is it really?
Yeah. See if we got any bees or good. There's something. Yeah, you're looking good. Shit, but that's it. You got all the tools, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, we fed 5, so that's 10, and we bought 18 patties, so there's still 8 patties, so we'll be able to feed them early with this and some pollen when it's time.
Like single feed or...
Yeah, just one each, or
Yeah.
cut it up, whatever. All right, so we just got done with the bees, and this has been my first successful year wintering hives, really. I guess a couple years ago I was able to have 1 or 2 survive, but they were rough. Like, one of the hives wasn't producing anymore, so we ended up consolidating them. But this time we got 5 out of 9, so I'm happy with that. You know, it's tough wintering bees. Well, I can tell right away what the issue was with the dead ones. It was just a feed issue. All their fondant patties were completely done, so note to self, just feed them heavier in the fall. And I think with that we'll have a lot more success next year. But yeah, we got the feed in for the bees. Super stoked. They were all cleaning themselves out. There's bee poop everywhere. I'm just covered in it. But it's a good sign, you know, spring's coming.